Hello, welcome to SaaS Media Studio. Well, in this video I will be teaching you how to choose a better business SEO friendly name for your business. You can use for your brand, you can also use for a record label, you can use for your blogging website, you can use for all your digital platforms, account creations. You can also use for your YouTube account. Okay, now we have this special website I'm going to introduce to you, and that will change your life. Okay, now before I proceed with that, I want you to just thank me by just liking this video, okay, and just subscribing to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Okay, and also you have the chance to write anything at the comment section, whether a question or a suggestion. So now there's no time to wait, let's go and hit it. Okay, so this is the wonderful website which is going to help us to choose a better SEO friendly business name, okay, for our blogging website, for our YouTube account, for our digital platform, for our record label, for our brands, and okay, as well, you just can name them. Okay, so now I'll leave the link at the description down below so that you can just click and it will be redirected to this wonderful page. Now, so what you have to do is just click on find business name. Okay, so now you have to choose the category in which your business fall under. Okay, your blogging website fall under. So let's say your business is about apparel and accessories. Let's say your business is about arts and entertainment. So in this video I will focus on arts and entertainment. Let's say I want to blog about entertainment, I want to maybe blog about music. Okay, and let's say I have a brand that I want to create for a record label, so that's the best thing. So if you are using a record label, you can choose media. Okay, so I'm going to choose arts and entertainment for here. So now the next one is the keyword you want it to appear in your name. Okay, so in this case I want music to appear in the name. So if you are done, you just click on generate. So we generated 1,000 business names. Okay, so they have generated 100 business names. Okay, so you can just choose anything you like. Okay, so now my preference is you have to choose 3 or more business name, because when you are creating a blogging website you need to choose a name which is unique and a name which has never been chosen by someone. I hope you understand. So if you choose one and you go and that one has been chosen by someone, you are going to suffer. So that will be a very big mess. So I'll prefer you choose 3 or more. 5 will be cool. So I'm going to open my notepad. Then you're going to choose any of this. Okay, so I love relic music. I'm going to use relic music. That'll be one. So music style is also cool. Music lab is also cool. You have the music head is also cool. We have the arrow music. Okay, so these are the 5 business name I have chosen. You can go ahead and choose 10. Okay, this is the first 5 business name I have chosen, and it is going to help me. Okay, so if you have written to this far, then congratulations, you have business name for your blogging website, for your brands, for your record label, for your digital platforms. Okay, so don't forget, as I said, subscribe to this YouTube channel, okay, and click on the bell icon so that whenever we upload a video you'll be notified. Okay, and also have the chance to write anything at the comment section. Like this video as a way of appreciating my good work. Now let's meet next time.